Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm having fun with the song from Bryce Savage, and that's the man behind Netflix. And if you're a fan, you'll know that, so I don't have to tell you. Anyway, this is a song called Haunt Me, a very simple song to perform on guitar. If you have a capo on second fret, you will have the easiest life ever when it comes to chords. So let's go into this one. Capo on second, let's learn the four chords, starting with C, okay? So that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord, A minor. Very easy transition there from C to A minor. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then from A minor you go to E minor. Again, simple. It will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. And the fourth and final G, not too hard either. So third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And that will be the chord progression throughout the song. Now let's learn the strumming pattern together, and we're gonna play the C, the first chord, like this. Okay, so this is my interpretation of it. You're gonna play down, down, clap, down. That's the first half. So down, down, clap, down. Then a short pause, and then you play down, clap, down. And that's it. So down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. That's one. And a couple of rounds goes like this to get the feeling for the rhythm. Alright, so you're gonna play more than just C. So the chord progression here, we'll learn that it's C, A minor, E minor, G. You're actually gonna play one string around per chord, and that's it. So, sounds like this. Again. Alright guys, I told you it's gonna be simple. Bryce Savage, Haunt Me, that's the song. Good luck with this, and until next time, play tuned.